This is a net, right? What's the net make? Pyramid. Okay, because it says right there. Weird, right, Edgar? It says right there in English. Okay, and the base is ABCD, and it's 8 by 6. Okay, and the sloping edges of the pyramid are 7, so all of these are 7. They have to line up, so like if this one's 7, that's 7 too, even though the angles are different, right? So these are all 7. So the first thing it asks me is to find the length of QM, which is this, correct? And will that be a right angle? Yeah. Okay. So this is 7. Do we know this distance right here? Yeah, what is it? 4. Okay. So what I really have is I have a triangle. It's a right triangle. It's a 4, 7 triangle, and I need to know that side. When I was looking at these yesterday, I saw a lot of people use the Pythagorean theorem wrong. It made me very sad. This is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is always C. And so it's like normally I wouldn't write this out, but people are just putting like the two numbers here and here, not understanding that this number is C every time, opposite of the right angle. The hypotenuse is always C. So really what this is going to be is yeah, good to go. And square root of 49 minus 16, which is 5.74. Good to go? Okay. Rn. Same thing, right? But a little different. So I draw it like this. This is still 7. Well, can't see. There you go. Sorry. That's still 7, right? Because all of these sides over here are 7. So they're all 7. Because they all have to line up. And this is, what's this side now? 3. It's 3 because the whole thing is 6 and this cuts it in half and it's a right triangle. So then that's going to be the square root of 40, correct? Which is 6.32. Good? No problems on that. Surface area of the pyramid. Oh boy. This one I saw like, I don't think I saw 3 people had the same answer. This one was easy. Because look, let's look at the surface area. Do you see how you have a rectangle? What's the area of that rectangle?
48.
48. Okay? You have 2 circles, or 2 circles. Oh my gosh. What the heck's wrong with you? You have 2 triangles. No wonder you're confused. I don't even know my shapes. I'm supposed to be your teacher. Oh my gosh. Man. Hey, what's the area of this triangle right here? What's the area of that triangle? Yeah. It's 1/2 base times height, so what is it? Yeah, but I just want to know this one. 9.48? That's would it be 1/2 times 6 times 6.32? Is that right? Yeah? And but there's really 2 of them, right? So but just one would be 18.96, correct? But you have 2 of those, right? So when you add 2 of those together, that's 37.92. And don't you have 2 other triangles? And those other triangles would be 8. Both of them would be 8 times 5.74. Oh, that's my problem. $45.92, is that what you said? And then 37.92 and 48. 131.84. Oh, you can't see. The answer is not important. How you get it is, right? So that's the rectangle. These are the two longer triangles, and these are the two stubbier triangles. That's it. I was surprised to see the trouble, but that's okay. I'd rather see the trouble now so we can fix it and see it later. Last one. Oh boy. The fun part. Let's see if we can get this. First one says, show that the height of px is 4.9 centimeters, correct to 2 decimal places. Any ideas on how to do that? Yeah. You can use the Pythagorean theorem? Yeah, because well, or you could do this way, like this. Could you do that triangle right there that I just drew? This one? Like that slice right out of the middle? Could you do that one? Yeah? So what's PA? 7. And what's AX? 5, right. How did I get 5? Look at this triangle. Do you see how it's a 3, 4, 5? Yeah. This whole thing will turn out to be 10. So half of it's 5. So 5 squared plus, and then px squared. Right? So the square root of 49 minus 25. I did it different ways. I think I did it 3 different ways. Just to see, I don't know, how many ways you guys could have done it. And there's several, so that's 4.90 correct to 2 decimal places. Alright. So then, next one, calculate triangle PNX. PNX, which would be this triangle. Correct? PNX. It would be this one. Right? So PNX looks like okay. What do we know? We know that this is 4.9. Okay. Is that 4? How do I know that's 4? Because it's halfway, right? From here to here. Then the whole thing's 8. Okay. So, how can I figure out the angle? Tangent? Opposite over adjacent? So, tangent of the angle is equal to 4.9 divided by 4. So, the angle is going to be arctangent. How many guys forgot about trig? So arctangent 4.9 divided by 4, 50.77 degrees. Okay? HPN. HPN. HPN is this one up here. Right? Is it going to be the same as this angle right here? The same as this angle right here? Is that going to be the same as HPN? Like, are these the same two triangles, like this one over here? Is that the same triangle? So then, how can I figure this out? Where are you going? What?
Our room for like presentation.
Oh, well, that's at 10 o'clock.
Yeah, but it says excuse right
Oh, whatever.
Can I go?
Alright, you can go. You're gonna take your stuff.
No, Jimmy's gonna
I have no idea. Alright. Do you see how you could just do... Do you see how you could do that? To find that angle? Do you understand what I did, Ruby? Yeah. I did it another way yesterday, but then after I did it, I realized that, and that's easier. So, you could just do 90 minus 50.77. Alright. Calculate the angle between PA and ABC. This is the one that seemed to cause the most trouble. So the plane ABCD is like the base, correct? And PA is this line. So it's talking about this angle right here. Do you see that? Okay. And we can draw a triangle for that. This is the angle we want. We know this is 5. We know this is 4.9. Correct? So we can figure out that angle using tangent again. Yeah? Yes, sir? Why would you multiply by 2? Oh, I thought it said HPX. So this one should be double. Ah, that makes sense. That's why it's a 2-point problem. Ah, you see what I did wrong? Thank you. I didn't read it carefully. I assumed it was an X. I didn't read it carefully. Cardinal sin for Cambridge math problems. So then you think it should be double of this? Yeah, which would be, what would it be? 78.46. Yeah, is that, you guys agree?
Yep.
Yeah? Yep. She's like, yep, I agree. Yep. Okay. I'm sorry. I didn't do that on purpose either. I messed it up. Okay. Write down the vertices of the triangle. Oh my God, you guys wrote some just nonsense. You were totally faking. I saw people write down, these are the 2 most common answers, 4 and 8. Okay, those are not vertices of a triangle. The vertices of a triangle have letters. Vertices are the endpoints. Plane of symmetry means a plane. A plane of symmetry means a plane that cuts this thing in half. HP what? HPN. Or, no, there's only one other. Nope. PMG. PMG, that's it. Nope. Because this would fold over and end up sticking out over here somewhere. All right. Huh. Questions? You guys ready for your papers back?